Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been
Today, I am backed on a special journey, one that took me into the heart of art and history. My destination, the National Gallery in London, home to some of the most celebrated masterpieces in the world, okay?
Hi Monarchs, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel and you're welcome back to another video, okay? So today I'm going to the National Gallery at the Trafalgar Square. I'm just going to, see the paintings, and then one most important painting that I want to see, the sunflower, okay? So I just want to take you guys along and also, just have fun, okay? So let's go.
And as I approached the ground entrance, I couldn't help but admire the stunning architecture of the building. The building was so beautiful. A queue had already formed. A long queue had already formed, oh yeah, filled with tourists, art lovers, and curious visitors, okay?
What does it mean to be happy?
Every piece felt like a window into another time.
Glass half full or empty? Man, we just put 'em on the show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. What does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty? we just put them on the shelf. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did the song mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Try to look to the heavens, tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did the song mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
So guys, I'm walking to the sunflower picture. Yeah. 41. It said it's in 41.
Navigating through the gallery, I finally arrived at the section where it was displayed. I can't believe I'm seeing this painting. I was so excited, and as expected, the area was crowded.
So guys, I found the sunflower picture. Yeah.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky, when I'm on the other side.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty, man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens, tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did the sun mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I tried to find a purpose in my life, to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
After spending time admiring the masterpiece, I made my way toward the souvenir shop. I wanted something to remember this moment. And after browsing through the prints, postcards, and books, I found the perfect keepsake, and it was a mini sunflower painting.
Try to look to the heavens, tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did the song mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I tried to find a purpose in my life, to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
It felt like the perfect way to carry a piece of this experience in me, okay? With my souvenir in my hand and my heart full of inspiration, I stepped out of the gallery, taking one last glance at this beautiful building before heading home. Today wasn't just about visiting the museum. It was about stepping into the world of art, feeling the passion behind every brushstroke, and experiencing history through the eyes of the greats. And as I walked away, I knew this wouldn't be my last visit. Oh yeah.
And our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long